Hey guys, this is John again from Grab and Go Concessions. Owning a food truck sort of like turns you into a quick, fast, prep, cooked, you name it, served food type of person because in certain I've had the experience of having, I'd say, about 50 people in line. Remind you that my food truck has two windows. So what we try and do, we try and say order here and then pick up here. Sometimes that doesn't work. People just walk up to the window. Actually, they walk up to the shortest line. I went over to a Sam's Club last week and I noticed something. You know what I noticed? Something you don't like. Something I don't like. But you know what? Seeds of change, organic quinoa and browned rice. Okay? They say in the pouch 90 seconds. Well, guys, it got my attention because, of course, I want to eat healthy, but sometimes healthy doesn't taste good. This one does. You know what I did with it? I mixed it with, say, had a couple of hot dogs, beef hot dogs. I know it's not quite healthy, but I mixed the rice with some chicken broth. Chicken broth, Members Mark, Sam's Club. And I decided to wrap it in a tortilla. Added a little bit of a provolone cheese to it, some chipotle sauce, and success. Actually, it tastes like chipotle, believe it or not. Just wanted to share it with you guys. There it is, the ingredients. The rice itself, I got a jalapeno right up here. And it tastes really good. Quick meal. Hot dog, rice, broth, your choice of chipotle sauce, barbecue sauce, up to you. And there it is. Bam. You got yourself a 90-second meal that could probably, I'd say this thing can feed about, I'd say, 3 people. Satisfiably, though. 3 people. So I just thought I'd share that with you. By the way, I did add some olive oil to it to give it some of that, just to give it a little lube. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And then subscribe. Leave me some ideas, man. Leave me some, we got a fly in here. Get out. Come on. Leave me, leave me some comments. Leave me something to do. Give me some ideas. Give me some ideas that you think. For instance, if you guys got a recipe that you guys want to do, let me research it and stuff. I'll do a video on it. You can subscribe, and then we go from there. I'll do the video. I got the kitchen. I got the equipment. You don't have to do it, and I'll do it and stuff. And we can go from there. Don't forget, guys, subscribe. Give me some thumbs up. I know these videos are not as professional as they can be, but I'm a good chef. I can cook, and if you have any ideas, I can put it to life. Alrighty? Again, Chef John from Grab and Go Concessions out of Orlando, Florida. Thank you for watching.